Good morning, my name is Dave and welcome to my channel. I'm a long haul truck driver in North America. I'm on my way down to Olive Branch in Mississippi, in the northwest corner of Mississippi, to pick up I've got an empty behind me. I'm just going down to switch trailers for a loaded one and back up to Winnipeg. So thanks for joining me. Let's get it done. So it's Thursday the 2nd of March. I've got 19 degrees down here this morning. Very humid, so making it a bit damp out there, but nice temperatures. So I'm just round the corner from my pickup in Olive Branch, Mississippi. This trip's gone really well so far. Touch wood. Got my delivery off in Jackson, Missouri early this morning, and it's now only 10 o'clock in the morning and I'm down here ready for my reload. So hoping to get a good way back up the road tonight as well. As long as everything's ready here, as long as the load's ready and it all goes according to plan. Even if I only get south of St. Louis, that would do me for tonight. Still got home Saturday from there. On that corner. So we just turn right at these next lights and all the warehouses round there, virtually they nearly all belong to the same company. So you've got to watch when you get a load out of this place that you're going to the right warehouse. Only have a couple of days off when I get back off this one. Probably go again Tuesday next week. Have Sunday and Monday at home. That would be the plan anyway. Oh, he's going to make it a bit tight to get round here. Yeah, that's not bad. that's us here, guys. Just up ahead where that truck's turning now is where I go in. So we'll be back to you with an update later on. So I'm down here in Olive Branch, but unfortunately I have a problem with the trailer. I can't get any air through to the suspension on the trailer. Tried everything that I know. There's no air leaks or anything. It's obviously a stuck valve somewhere. So, no idea how long we're going to be here. Luckily I don't have to pay for it, because it's on the company equipment, not on mine. Which really could do with a wash. So they just finished their lunch right now. Hopefully they'll be coming out having a look at this pretty soon, but we'll have to wait and see. They got me in right away, so that was good of them. It was just about 5 miles from where I picked the trailer up, so I called them up. He said, yeah, come round, we'll take a look at it. And fair play, they got me in right away. So, that's an update of what I'm up to. Maybe getting home Saturday's asking a bit much now. We'll have to wait and see. So it's 20 to 4 in the afternoon now. I lost 4 hours getting that problem with the air sorted. They changed 2 valves. They changed the levelling valve on it, but they changed another valve before the levelling valve. And it still didn't work. Then they changed the levelling valve and it worked. I did fiddle about with the levelling valve before I took it there, and nothing was happening. So I suspected that's what it was. But you've let them got to do their own thing. They changed both valves, so it is what it is. $555 it's just cost the company. So we've been here a couple of times over the last videos. Just coming into Arkansas now. I want to get as far as I was going to say I want to get as far as I can, but I don't, because I've still got 5 hours and 44 minutes left, and I won't be doing that much. But the problem is, the time I'm looking at working is going to put me south of St. Louis, and it is very limited parking late at night. You can't get parked. So I haven't decided what I'm going to do yet. I'll see how I feel as I go up the road. And I'll still make it home for Saturday, just going to be later than I expected. But it is what it is, there was nothing we could do. You know, the trailer obviously had no air in it. Whether somebody's dropped it like that or it's just happened recently. See the shunters down there, the yard jockeys, they shift them around and load them for us as well. You know, if this had been reported, it could have been fixed while it was sitting there, but nobody had reported it. So same old, it's left to the driver when he shows up. Good stuff, just got the scale bypass. I don't think it's open anyway, that's why. Yeah, they're in there. It says open on that sign. Flat deck followed me through, and the truck in front went through as well, so I don't know if they've got the bypass or we're all just passing them anyway. I know I got the bypass, so I don't care. So once again, there won't be a whole lot to show you. You know where I am and where I'm going. You've seen it all before. So we'll be back tomorrow sometime, let you know where I get to and what the plans are from there. So later guys. Saturday morning, the 4th of March, and it is 11:15 in the morning. Sorry there's been no update yesterday, and I should have videoed some of this and let you see. I've had problems with my fuel filter. Just doing one of my walk around checks with the hood up, and I spotted that the fuel filter was full to the top. So all I've been doing is draining a bit off and carrying on for now. I've tried in 2 different places already this morning and can't get a fuel filter. So I'm now in Fargo, North Dakota, where I'm going to a Volvo dealers to get a fuel filter. So we'll be back later and I'll let you know how I get on. Thanks guys. So we're back on the road now. I got to Volvo and they had fuel filters in stock, which you'd like to think so anyway. So I did happen to buy 3. So now I've got 2 in the side locker spare. And I won't have to mess about worrying and draining it like that, just get it changed. I always had a spare one in the truck. And for some reason, the one I had was from my last truck, which was a different fuel filter. So I wasn't actually able to use it even although I had one. But that's my fault. But we got it done, and we're back on the road now. So, bit of an eventful trip this one, with going to the shop for the trailer down in Olive Branch, and now up here in Fargo and changing fuel filters. You know, I was hoping to be home by this time already, but we've still got another 4 hours to Winnipeg, and then I've got to get home from there. But it is what it is. Hopefully that solved the fuel problem. We'll get it up to Winnipeg, and we'll have another check once we get to Winnipeg, see how it looks then. I'll put up a couple of pictures of how it looked before I changed it. Well, you'll already have seen them. So that's all for now, guys. Be back later. So it's now 20 past 4 Saturday afternoon, and that's me nearly finished this trip now. Just 15 miles back to the yard. I haven't actually got a trailer on and bobtail back from Winnipeg this week, which is a bit unusual, but I guess all the trailers they needed back in Steinbach are already back, so that's okay. Getting nice fuel mileage on the way back. So I had a look at the filter back at the fuel filter back in Winnipeg there as well, and it's right down the bottom of the fuel filter now. So I don't think there's a problem with my fuel. I think it was that filter. It'd only been on there 3 weeks. It was full to the top and getting plugged. So I couldn't find, I took the filter out, there was no marks on it at all, you know, no manufacturer's name, no micron stamp on it, so I don't know what micron filter they fitted. I had a look at the receipt, it says it's 25 micron filter, and that's what's supposed to be fitted in here, but there was nothing on the filter to actually tell you that's what it was. So I don't know. We'll keep an eye on this one. I've got a couple of spares in here now anyway. So, one thing not to do though, here's a bit of advice. Don't put your old filter and O-rings in a plastic bag and expect it not to leak diesel all over your side locker. So that's just a tip from me. So yeah, side locker's not smelling too pleasant. No doubt that's going to drift into the cab while it sits there. So it should be lovely in here when I come back on Tuesday. So that's it, guys. I haven't done any editing this week, so I'm not sure what these two videos are actually going to be like. I know this one's all over the place, but thanks once again for joining me. I really do appreciate it. I enjoy doing these. I like seeing the comments. I like the interaction with you guys, so hope you're enjoying them. Take care, stay safe, and cheerio for now. Cheers, guys.